To fix a Vtech baby monitor with non-functioning night vision, several factors should be considered. The camera's display may be affected by interfering factors such as objects, lighting, and colors, which can hinder its night vision capabilities. Repositioning the unit to eliminate blockages and glare can help resolve this issue, ensuring a clear and non-blurry display in dark rooms or at night. Another possible reason for the malfunction is that the night vision mode has not been enabled. To activate this feature, launch the Vtech app, select the Live Stream button, and locate the night vision icon at the bottom right corner of the display. Enable Auto Night Vision by tapping on the icon. Additionally, the unit's batteries may be lacking power, which can prevent the night vision setting from working. Charging the unit or leaving it plugged in during dark hours can provide a sufficient power supply to support the night vision feature. By addressing these potential issues, the Vtech baby monitor's night vision should be restored to working order.